Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to put 3 hairs on Roblox in Windows 11 PC. Using this simple method, you can layer up to 3 different hairs for unique looks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, install the BTRoblox extension. Open Chrome and search for BTRoblox extension. Select the official Chrome Web Store result with over 4 million users. Click Add to Chrome to install this free, trusted extension. Step 2. After installation, go to roblox.com and log into your account. You'll notice new customization options appear. Click Avatar in the left sidebar, then select Head and Body to access advanced editing features not available in the standard interface. Step 3. Navigate to the Hair section. Unlike the default Roblox editor, the BTR extension allows multi-selection. Hold Control while clicking to select up to 3 different hairstyles. You'll see them instantly layer on your avatar preview. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Roblox customization tips.